So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis on what EURJPY is actually going to be giving us. So first and foremost, guys, before we go ahead to predict what market will be giving us for the day, make sure you subscribe to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop on 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, first thing first, guys, before you take a trade, you need to know what your trend is. And as you can see right here, on our EURJPY, we are in an uptrend move. If you have to zoom it out, this is our overall trend on EURJPY. The trend says that we are in an uptrend move. Market is what's trending to the upside. We are very much bullish, right? Market is literally trending to the upside, right? Now, take a look at this movement right here, guys. So this is your impulsive move, which is your high. Here comes the pullback, which is the higher low. Market then was able to push up to form a new higher high, and this is the pullback that formed an higher low, right? Market then did push up again to form a new higher high. This is the pullback that market did here to form an equal higher low right here. So this, pay attention to this level, guys. This level that I have highlighted, pay attention to it. We are going to make use of it. If you take a look at this, markets eventually rallied up, right? Then came back again to retest this level. Now, this level that market came back to retest, it is now our support zone. So you can see that market is literally rejected from our support zone. We had this rejection when markets came, it's rejected from here. Markets bounced up, then came back again to retest the same level. It's rejected from it, right? Which made market to bounce up, right? Markets eventually came back again to retest the same level. And guess what market did? Markets eventually rejected from this zone, right? Which made market to push up, right? Bounce up. Now, market has now come back to retest the same level. Guess what market did right here? Market eventually rejected from the same level. Market eventually bounced up again, right? And now it has now dropped. And guess what we'll be expecting? We will be expecting a rejection from this zone right here. So on this EURJPY, we will be expecting market to reject from this support level. And guess what? We should reject it and bounce up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what you should be expecting on your EURJPY. So be expecting a bullish move on your EURJPY. EURJPY should be giving you a bullish move. That means a movement to the upside is what you should be expecting for the day on our JPY. On our EURJPY, sorry. On our EURJPY, due to the fact that market is very much bullish. Second, market has now tapped the support level. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. So pay attention to this right here. You can see it right here. Markets, came to tap this level, right? It's rejected, bounced up. Markets eventually came back again to test the same level again, test this level. Guess what market did? Markets eventually bounced up. It's rejected, bounced up. Markets eventually drop again to tap the same level again. When market dropped to tap the same level again, guess what market did? Markets eventually rejected and bounced up, right? So if in case, I'm just saying, if in case market comes back to tap the same level, it is very simple going for the buy. Just in case, if market comes back to test the same level, make sure you're going for the buy. So basically, in the long run, we will be anticipating for a movement to the upside. So it is very much on uptrend move. So if in case market breaks out of this resistance zone, the market breaks out of this resistance zone, you can expect market to go back to test it and then push up again. But if market does not break out of the resistance zone, instead it drops to the support level, then look to go for your buy on your support level. More updates on this will be covered for you guys, so make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.